Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and today I come to you with this beautiful pre-styled wig courtesy of UNICE. Today we're going to be doing a very simple beginner-friendly install. This one here is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. It comes with a pre-everything cap construction, so pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. Literally no work needed. We went ahead and did a semi-glueless install. We just used a little bit of spray to melt her down and keep her down in the heat. No baby hair at all. We just tinted the lace really beautiful, touched her up a little bit of wand curls, but even like the bang, it was cut and styled. The hair was perfectly colored already. Literally Beyonce hair in 10 minutes or less from the convenience of my bathroom. I know you can hear that tempo in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. You guys know I'm a dance mom, so we're going to practice because the girls are performing with the Sparks in a few weeks, and then also ballet. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Going out in style, looking every bit of my best, and again, very simple, easy install from home. So if you want to see how we got the look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. We're gonna do this one as a voiceover so we can get out of here.
Okay, love bugs, let's switch into voiceover mode. So this one here is a 7x5 lace front wig. She is chocolate brown with blonde highlights. This is a human hair body wave wig with face framing bangs. They pre-styled the bangs for us, and I am just going ahead and throw her on so you guys can see. This is a bye-bye knots pre-everything wig, and yeah, I'm just showing you guys like the unboxing, and this is like my initial like view, or like I'm just checking her out for the first time myself on camera with you guys. I took the unbrush to go ahead and kind of just brush her out and see what we're working with. I also removed that bang, and I love it. She fits glueless, but I like my wig to be super melted, so I did add a thin layer of melting spray just to go ahead and have her nice and melted on the skin. From there, I did go in with my own lace tint. I used shade 15 in the parting and 16 along the hairline. Here I am using my fingers to kind of like tease the hair around the hairline, because even when I don't do baby hair, I like for it to give a little bit of a more frayed and not so perfect look along the hairline. And then I added the melt belt on top that was provided, and we did the dynamic duo. You guys know this is my favorite step, and you guys can see how smooth and sleek the top is because of it. I'll have all the details and like links to everything I did use in the video. From here, I really felt like the wig was done. Like I felt like it was installed and styled. You honestly can add just a little bit of serum to cancel out any frizz and you're good to go. But I did use my Beach Waver wand curler just to amp up the wave a little bit. Again, you don't need to do this. This was just a quick thing for me. Even then, you can go in with small sections and leave it on a little bit longer for a more defined look. I just again wanted to just accentuate and see what would happen if I added a little bit more definition to the wig. From there, I immediately brushed those curls out and added a little bit of Got To Be Glued spray. Again, my things are all over the place, so honestly, I don't even know where my hairspray is. So a new, nice, good, hefty hair haul is definitely underway. My wand curls maybe took me about 15 minutes in total, maybe 10, not that much time at all, again, because I didn't really do too much, and I did brush each section out as I parted it with my fingers. The only thing I did not curl was that front bang, because sometimes when I do it, I really do mess up. I added a little bit more Got To Be Glued spray and brushed it out, and this was the look.
Okay, love bugs, I turned the camera and you're about to die. Let me change your battery. Hey, love bugs, look at this color. I kind of switched the camera around. The way you guys were during the tutorial was so that I can actually see myself. And now I can just use the viewfinder to see. So this one here is a beautiful pre-styled 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. She's in 24 inches, and then she comes with a beautiful highlight detail. I love her. She came with the bang already attached, so you pull it, and this part was already done. I did not touch up the bang at all. It was absolutely perfect, and truth be told, if I would have touched it up, I might not have it this perfect right now. I did go in with my Beach Waver to go ahead and touch up the ends. It did have a little bit of a fluffiness to it, but I like that because especially when it's hot or it's just humid, you find that you will get really oily quick in your skin, and I don't want my hair to be oily, so I'd rather be fluffy, and I can control by adding a little serum or something to tone it down. And then I did go ahead and do again my wand curls very loose just to give it a little bit more definition. This is what she looks like from the back. Again, nothing too defined or perfect, just fun, like daytime party hair. And if I do want it to be super, super defined, I'd go in and just go with smaller sections and do probably an actual curling iron, or again, just the smaller sections to, you know, make it more defined. But this is what I love right here. Before we head out, this one here did come from UNICE, and they did give us this package. So let's go inside. This is the bag that the wig was cut. This is the bag the wig came in. It was nice and packaged. Obviously, it's a bigger wig, so it had like a little cardboard keeping everything pre-curled. This one here is a 7x5 by my size wig in the length 24 inches, as I mentioned. Got my little tissue paper there. And then I did put the bang, or what, the roller back in here. That way I can reuse it and I'm not gonna get rid of this. Also inside of our package, we did get a pack of HD wig caps. These are the UNICE brand, so you can only get these on the UNICE website. They did give us a sheet of the wig tape. You're able to use this to kind of bond your wig down. I'm not a tape girl, I'm not a glue girl, so I'm gonna opt out and use it, but it's always great to have it, especially when it's time to travel or just do the most. We also got a baby hair brush, and it does come with the extra brush head. And then we also got a milk belt. I did use one in this video, but that one was one I already had, so I didn't have to open up the one they gave me today. But that's pretty much it. You guys already know, if you get hot or you just want a little updo, you kind of flip it around like such. Add your comb or your clip in there. You got a nice, quick, simple, easy updo. Look how this looks. I got graphic tee on, very simple. I'm gonna take the girls to practice and to class, so I don't need to do too much, but you put a fancy little one in there. You can put some like diamond or rhinestone like pins to pin the hair around, and you have like literally a wedding look or something very classy. This is what that looks like from the back, and it's even more special with the hair, with the color that we have here going on. Super cute. And then the bang kind of stands out. And then of course we just wear it down like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Let me brush her. Let's make sure we're looking cute on that outro. Okay, love bugs, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.